Hello YouTube. This is the 8th in a series of videos where we discuss vintage cameras from the 1900s all the way up to 2000. Today I'd like to show you a camera that's on loan to me from a friend who has this in his collection. This is the Rulex 1930 Bellows camera. It takes a negative that's 9 by 12 centimeters. This particular camera is known as a field camera. It was sold to the amateur market in 1930. It has a metal box, leather strap. This could be imitation or real leather covering on the outside.